Hi everyone, I'm Jerry here with my son and my pet here to kind of show you the beauty of this furniture. Thank you guys for sending this. I mean, this is fantastic that you can go from unbox to unwind in less than 15 minutes. Simply unbox this, slice it open, and this compressed thing jumps to life with this beautiful chenille fabric on here that is so soft and inviting. It's going to really open up and liven any room. And to give you an idea how comfortable and the size of this is 159 inches. That's a little over 13 feet. You've got to have a lot of area to be able to put this bad boy, but it is an extremely comfortable and versatile sofa because it is a sectional. So each piece can actually move independently and you don't have to have a wall to set it up because this actually wraps all the way around the back. Each of these pieces have a nice anti-slip grip on the bottom so that if you have this on a hard surface, it's not going to go sliding around. It does work really well. And of course you can unzip this and take this off if you did ever need to wash it. But because of that, these things can easily move around and you can position them however you want to. That way, if you're wanting to make a game table for game night so that you can sit there and play that, or push them all together and make a bed for a guest that's coming over, you can easily do that. Now at a 17-inch seat height, this actually is a pretty nice seat height. I am 6'2", weigh about 185 pounds, and a 30-inch seat depth allows me to sit here fully and have plenty of back support on this as well, which is really nice because I'm a larger individual. It does come with 4 of these nice pillows. Now we unboxed this and haven't steamed this or anything, and it actually came out pretty wrinkle-free, which is really nice. A lot of them you have to really steam and get them going. I think over time, even just with normal use, you wouldn't have to do any extra maintenance to this, which is also really fantastic. So this is going to make a great addition to anyone's home or office. Thank you guys again for sending it.